Hey guys, life hack number 2. How to get a good deal on a toolbox. Well, you don't have to buy Snap-on or anything like that, Mac. That stuff's overrated nowadays. You can get a good, decent toolbox for cheaper than you'd expect. This bad boy, picked it up at Canadian Tire. 350 bucks, special buy. Frontier brand, never heard of it. Seems to be pretty good. Got this old Waterloo as a Mastercraft kind of product, and it's not nearly as good, but it's held together all right. But let's get back at the meat and potatoes here. So this bad boy is a special buy. Comes in a cardboard box, 350 bucks out the door kind of deal, plus taxes. So about 12% tax gives you 400 bucks or so. Basically what you see is what you get. Nice, I got some junk on top already. Nice finished top there. It's locking, comes with keys, ball bearing, nice and easy. I got this thing pretty loaded up right now, and it seems to be fine. Nicely organized, lots of drawer space, comes with the rubber mats. What more can I say? The two bottom drawers are really big, can store lots of crap in there. If you zoom in here, this one was a little bit dented, but by the time you get it unboxed and everything, it would work, so I wasn't too upset. Comes with these casters, a set of casters on the one side there. They swivel, so it's really easy to move around. You could put a brake on there, and then it won't move too much on you. There's a little bit of vibration if you're hammering on it, but you get the point. It's heavy duty. It's got a 1,200 pound capacity, and I think that's based on the casters. The reason for this video is I only saw one review, and it was 1 out of 5. But if you're looking for a toolbox, it's really good. You can expect to spend around $700 for a Mastercraft branded maximum toolbox with a wood top. I find this one just as good for the home mechanic. Even if you're an apprentice, I would go ahead and buy one of these. Good quality. It comes with a couple keys there. And overall it's pretty good. It was in pretty good shape, just had a couple dents here and there. There's a handle that goes here. So what you see is what you get. Like I said, 350 bucks. It's on sale at Canadian Tire this week. And they have one in stock at View Royal in Victoria there. So hopefully you can snag one today.